are so freaking back. God damn, bro. Another Pinoy's podcast with the boys. Holy shit, kompleto tayo ngayon. Nandito si Ken, we got Chris, we got John, we got Pedro. Pedro, mag-hi ka.
Special guest.
What the fuck? Hello.
Yeah, that's right, Pedro. You never knew that was coming, bro. Okay, wala, nag-hi lang si Pedro. That's it, kompleto ang PR ngayon. That's the last you will ever hear, Pedro, for this episode. And guys, anyways, how are y'all? Okay, how are y'all on this fine, sunny Friday morning, bro?
Friday morning.
Friday morning.
Friday morning.
Friday
Look at this,
morning.
Friday morning. Friday morning right here, bro.
Damn, bro.
Yeah,
It's Friday night in here,
Yeah,
bro.
bro.
Friday night.
Patingin nga ng ano, patingin ng bintana mo.
Wala, di makikita.
You move your fucking camera, bro.
I don't wanna fucking, I don't wanna do it.
Yeah, bro.
I
Ken,
pipix ko pa. What?
how is the things that are happening there, bro? What's going on with you?
But ganap
What's
dito
going
sa
on
bahay
with
na to? Ganap ko sa bahay na to?
No, not really sa bahay na yan.
What do you mean?
Just with you, bro. Like,
Me?
It's you, bro. It's you, bro.
I'm doing kinda
Yeah,
okay.
bro.
Kinda not okay. Kinda not okay.
Okay, that's better than not okay, okay?
Tama,
I'll take
tama.
the kinda, bro.
Kinda.
Bakit ano nangyari, ha? Ano ba nangyari?
I don't wanna
Anything good
talk about
happened
it,
to you this week?
Yes,
Okay.
in a way. And a bad thing
Oh.
happens,
Damn, bro. Can we
No.
listen to that,
No, bro.
bro?
No,
Can
bro.
we-
What is
Nah,
happening,
man.
brother?
Can you
Crazy.
elaborate?
No, bro.
Can you
Just
elaborate,
just
please?
having a rough fucking year, That's
The
it.
fucking year.
Whoa,
Same, man.
a year.
I want
Holy
to, gusto ko
shit.
magpalit na yung taon, Jesus Christ, fuck this year, bro. So many happened in this year. So many bullshit happened this year,
I feel like that's something like we say every fucking year. You
Yeah.
know, like fuck 2025, fuck 2024, fuck 2020, 2023 was.
Kailan ba
2022
yung
was
taon
good,
ko,
bro.
Baka
Yeah,
next
man.
year.
Tangina. Yeah, man.
Kailan ba yung taon ko?
You know what? It never gets better, man.
Never get
It never
better.
gets better.
Yeah, bro.
It never
First
gets
time.
better, man. We are a prisoner of our own life choices. It never gets better.
Yeah, maybe gaming was a mistake.
Maybe it is, bro. Maybe it is, bro.
Yan, yan.
And I can't really remember like a year na masasabi ko, oh shit, this is the best year ever, bro.
Yeah, wala akong ganun,
Ever.
ah.
Wala akong maisip na
Wala akong
ganun.
ganun.
Honestly, I stopped counting years, bro. I stopped counting years after
Everything.
ano ba? 2022
After everything that
or
happened.
2020, bro. I think 2020. Yeah, hindi na ako nagbilang ng taon. I don't even know 2025 na. Do you find yourself like looking at the milk carton and then nakita niyo yung year, di ba? 2025. And then you're like, what the fuck? 2025 na pala. Or you see it na yung expiration date niya is 2026. And then you're like, damn, next year na pala yun.
Yung cobra na sinend dito, puta ka na, may natitira pa, expired na.
What? 2020 ano? 2025?
December, yeah. It's already
Oh
That's why
my
they
expired.
send it, bro.
God.
That's why they send it, bro.
Nah, it's fine. It's fine. Okay.
What?
Yung mga expiration dates na yan, those are fake. Okay. Ano lang yan? Parang, kumbaga, parang batching lang yan.
Hoy,
okay?
wag kayong makinig
Pero
dyan,
it's not
okay?
really expired.
Baka kumain sila ng kung ano-ano, tapos bumula yung bunganga nila, hayop ka.
Hey, don't take
Stop
it from
with
me,
that,
bro.
Stop.
I'm just saying, bro. Ako, I ate like, yung buhay ko ngayon dito. May mga mackerel, di ba? Mga fresh mackerel. It's usually nakalagay, nakapaskil doon yung date kung kailan siya,
Mag-expire.
ano yan, use by or parang ano.
Best before, ganun.
Best before. Yeah, it's a best before, okay? So, naman nakalagay na expiration. Pag expiration yan, ay, magtiwala ka. Pero pag nakalagay na best before, pwede pa yan. So like, I have like some mackerels here that siguro mga 5 days na past ng best before. And then I fry it. Still tastes good. Still very good, bro. Like, it's sealed and shit. So, yun.
Ano, iba
yeah,
yung
like
glow
what-
up.
like-
Wait,
like-
you bought the thing like fresh or ikaw na sealed na?
Yeah, I bought it fresh. So, kasi the thing is dito sa ang life hacks ko dito sa UK. Okay. Pag pag pa-expire na siya, yung presyo niya bumababa. Okay, nagiging half na lang. So doon ako tumitipid. So December, let's say for example, December 1, ako pumunta sa sa supermarket. I go to the fish section. I don't look at the new ones. I look at the bottom shelf kasi nandun yung mga pasira na. So I look for the one na December 1 or December or ano yan? Or November, hindi na wala pa sila mga November. Basta December 1 or December 2 yung expiration and usually half na yung price niyan. And then I take it.
Damn.
And then I put it in the ref, bro. And I put it in
Di
the
ba?
ref and it
Di
stays
ba
there for
may
5 or
nangyayari
4
sa
days.
sa Japan na pag paano na nag-sale din sila.
Yeah, ganun.
Ganun din.
Sa mga supermarkets, yung mga bentos nila,
Ilan-
like it's half off. That's the life hacks, bro.
Life hack na yun.
Pag tagtipid. Pero hey, at least hindi pang-pag yung ginagawa ko, okay?
Tama
So,
Be proud.
yun, that's my life hacks dito. I won't recommend it, but kayo, kanya-kanyang diskarte dito sa UK. Cause fuck, man! I hate this shit. I hate the cost of living here, bro. It's fucking me up, bro.
Welcome to the first world country. Kaya nga yung mga
Yes.
Britain
First world
tourists.
na medyo third world pa rin.
Kaya nga yung mga British people na the fucking tourists, they go to like Spain or whatever third world country that
Yes.
they can go because
They go to
everything
Scotland,
is
bro.
cheap, man.
I think the cheapest na pwede nilang puntahan dito would be like Turkey, bro. They go to Turkey. They get their balding head fixed, and then they get like,
and
good food and
fucking-
shit.
Fucking old British women go to fucking Africa just to
Where?
get some
Africa?
BBC. Yeah.
Damn!
Yeah, like I know, like
Damn, I
there's,
didn't know that.
Yeah, that's a common practice. Like British, there's like a
How
lot
do you
of
know
British.
this,
Where
bro?
did you find it?
Like,
How do you know this?
Like, because I know it, man.
Because you
I'm
experienced
cultured,
it,
man.
motherfucker.
I'm cultured, man.
Kind of sus, bro. It's like information that I would never search. I know.
Yeah,
I
same.
didn't search it, but
How do you come across?
No,
How do you come across such information, bro?
It was all my algorithm. It's like, oh, interesting.
Puta, never
Okay,
lumabas
so
sa
next
newsfeed
time
yun, ah.
next time pala na nasa airport ako dito sa UK. Pag nandun ako sa mga yung naghihintay ng Turkey airlines, makikita ko puro mga di ba?
Yeah.
Mga balding head. Dude, hindi, seryoso, yun yung nila. Like, makikita mo sa airports dito, yung, di ba yung mga marketing strat ng Pinas is like, mahalin mo Pinas or something or whatever.
More fun
Doon,
in the
pag
Philippines.
nakikita mo yung mga mga more fun in the Philippines. Doon, yung Turkey, start a new beginning, ganun.
Yeah.
And it's like a balding head, bro. It's literally a big ass fucking billboard of a balding head.
That's
Ay, ko,
that's
ganun
marketing,
talaga
man.
yung appeal lang,
Yeah, that's marketing.
Yan yung tourism nila. That's the Turkish tourism, bro. And you know what? That's fine. That's smart. It's okay. Pero next time nakita ko yung mga pag dadaan ako sa, dun sa gate ng mga papuntang Africa, sa makikita ko puro mga British women. I'll take a picture, Chris. I'll show you. And I'll be like,
Damn, what the
damn, maybe you were right, bro. Damn, bro, maybe you were right. Holy shit. Anyways, thanks for the random trivia, Chris. All right, John, what's up with you, bro?
Nothing, bro.
Damn,
Okay lang,
didn't
okay.
say the lines, bro.
Okay lang ako. Okay. I'm okay, bro.
You don't sound okay, bro.
I
Damn,
don't
bro.
know.
You sound
I'm losing
you're not
hope.
okay, bro. You losing hope to humanity, bro.
I'm losing hope with
Talk to us,
everything.
bro. What's going on, bro?
I'm losing
What's
hope,
going on, bro? Was gaming a mistake, bro?
Yes, gaming was a mistake. Now my life has no flying
No
colors and shit, you know. It has no meaning
Oh,
anymore,
shit.
bro.
Damn, bro. Life could not be dream anymore, bro. Holy shit.
Inisip ng mga nagtatrabaho ngayon, they have like the good ass job, good paying job, and they be like, fuck bro, I wish I could make gaming as my living, and then you be here, you do make it a living, but it's miserable as fuck.
Alam mo yun, para ano yan? Like, yung dystopia where in the future, puro mga TikTokers na yung, di ba, yung mga high-paying job, ganun. Tapos, pinanganak ka sa isang family ng mga TikTokers. Pero like, all this time, you wanted to be a fucking doctor or something, or like an office worker. Pero pinipilit ka ng tatay mo at ang mamay mo na gumawa ng TikTok for the clout.
Damn, bro. Nag-iba na yung Dati gusto nila
Tapos
mag-nurse
nakita
ka.
nila nakita ka nila nagbabasa ng libro. Tapos sasabihin ng tatay mo, puta, ano yan? Tapos naka-livestream pa siya. Ano yan? Nakagano. Ano yung ginagawa? Ba't nagbabasa ka ng libro? Saan mo nakuha yan, ha? Like, ay, thank you for the roses. Tangin na tong anak ko. Guys, mag-poll nga tayo. Yung anak ko ba, may pag-asa pa sa buhay? Gaganon.
Nangina, it's like a Black Mirror episode, Pilipinas
Black
edition.
Mirror
no?
episode yun,
Yung ganun na yung mga buhay natin sa sunod na taon, bro. Like, yung mga kids natin, there will come a time na being a content creator is like the norm. And then, anong tawag doon, mga blue-collar jobs is gonna be like the actual dream, bro. Sila na yung magiging niche. Damn. Can't wait. I hope I'm still alive by that time, bro. I wanna see it, bro. I wanna see that
feeling ko,
happen.
magaganon yan. Feeling ko magaganon yun.
Dude, I wanna see that happen. Kasi like, do you think like content creators will be super oversaturated in the future? Na, to the point na parang like bababa na yung yung mga rates nila, bababa na rin yung yung bayad sa kanila. Kasi ang dami na eh.
Yeah, dami ng
Oo. And then since wala na masyadong mga nagtatrabaho sa mga blue collar or sa mga back end stuff, doon na yung tataas yung supply and demand shit, bro.
Damn.
Probably. Probably.
When will that
Could be,
happen,
bro.
bro?
Could
Holy
be.
shit.
Soon, okay?
I think at that point, Japanese people already extinct.
Why? What the fuck?
What do you mean by
Got
that? Diba
taken
sila,
over by a new race.
Yeah. Na-integrate na yung mga culture ng mga ibang tao dun. Kasi sa law ng population, they have to like immigrate a lot of people there at that
Oh,
rate.
shit, oo nga pala.
No, I think the new prime minister is trying to cook something, bro.
Mm,
Si Takeuchi.
yeah,
You wanna-
but
Let's see what happens, bro.
you can minus the immigration, but the thing is that people are not gonna fuck each other there because there's too busy working. Okay, they cannot make babies.
Yes, that's still true, okay? That's still true. And then, pati yung workforce nila sobrang kulang. So, they really, really, really need
Ba't pala ganun? Can you
Ah.
explain that a little bit more? Diba,
yung alin. The what?
diba, like, we always have this, na, the Japanese, they're, like, palaging hardworking, like, yung mga office jobs. Bakit? Like,
I
is
don't
it
know,
like
It became
like
a fucking culture
like
thing.
a cultural thing, or
Yeah.
are they just paying their shit so fucking low na parang paycheck
nila
to paycheck
magano?
yung paycheck?
No, it's not low. Hindi sa pagiging low. It's like parang yun nga sabi ni Chris, it's like a cultural thing. Na wherein like parang nadiin sa nila, sa isip nila na kailangan mo magtrabaho, kailangan mo magpabibo sa work, ganun. If you're not working or you're not being what do you call this, a productive member of society, then you are trash. Okay,
Yeah,
parang
what
ganun
the
yung
fuck?
So they work para to please people. They work kasi yun na yung parang in-ingrain sa utak nila, okay? Na you are robots. You are gears in this fucking machine. Parang ganun. Nobody really forced that onto them, pero it's more of like parang kinalikahan na nila yun.
Yeah,
And then
actually, it's more
still
of
a thing.
It's more of a
Tradition
transition
na
thing,
nila.
diba?
They
Like,
don't
yung
wanna
transition
dishonor,
is, diba, Japanese people are like the poorest country during the 1945s after the war, right? And they had to like really make a lot of shit. Yun, nagkaroon ng economic boom during the 1960s to 1990s. And that's about it. Doon nag-stop yung parang economic boom ng Japan. Up until now, from 1990s to this year, Japan is economically stagnant. Like yung kanilang GDP, it's not growing.
Yeah. Kaya umaasa sila sa mga tourists and all that stuff and other important exports. And yeah, their economy is actually kind of tanking right now. And then dun pa isa pang contributing factor is like their toxic work culture din. Like whatever you see, yung mga dark, yung mga black companies and shit, that's still a thing
Yeah.
sa Japan. And there's like, for example, may parang culture sila or parang, I don't know if it's a culture or mandate, but you can't really fire someone in a company. So what they do is like, they try to make you quit. Parang ganun.
And then
So
when
ang
you quit-
gagawin sa'yo is like, yeah,
Aanin ka.
ang gagawin sa'yo is like,
Papahirapan ka.
papadala
Bibigyan
ka, papahirapan ka, bibigyan ka ng maraming, and then you can't really, hindi mo pwede tanggihan. And then, or papadalhin ka sa isang remote area, tapos doon ka magtatrabaho. So until you quit, kasi once you quit, like, I think ma-forfeit mo rin yung, yung mga benefits
benefits
mo and all that stuff. So it's either you
Instead of
suck it up or you don't. So that's why ganun siya. Kaya nga nauso yung term na salaryman eh. You're not called
Yeah,
like an
nakikita ko
office
sa
worker.
anime.
You're not called like you're not called like a doctor or like a manager or shit. No, you're a salaryman.
Yeah.
And then talagang status na nila yun.
I wouldn't like
I
then
drank-
I wouldn't like then you're gonna have those kind of culture. I personally like if you're if you're gonna try to like work there to Japan and then you're gonna have to like pretend that you like your boss and that you have to like fucking drink every fucking night.
Yes.
And then you're gonna have a
Yes.
job at the same time. What the fuck that shit, man. I wouldn't be, man. I wouldn't be that guy.
Dude, my liver would not survive at all, bro. Like, in 3 months, hindi kaya. Ganun talaga eh. Like, most of the business stuff na, yung mga business deals and shit, it's done in the fucking izakayas, not really in an office room. So, yun. I forgot the term for that, yung culture nilang ganun ba. Yeah. Fuck yeah, dude.
And then there's a specific culture
Kaya-
na yun. I think that's may percentage dun that's the cause of death ng mga tao dun. yeah. That's real. That's real.
Putang ina,
Yeah.
I died from work not because of being over but over drinking, bro. Tang ina yan. Kaya makita mo ang dami mga office workers, 'di ba? Like they crash out in the streets. Like yung mga Shibuya
Yeah,
meltdowns and all that.
actually, kaya may
Yeah,
mga
that's the
ganun,
thing.
they missed the fucking train. They're gonna miss the last train, kaya they're just...
Yeah, they missed the train because like they fucking drank too much and then they can't even get themselves to the fucking train. Ang dami ka natin, di ba may nakita ba tayo
Mga sa
last
street,
time
di ba?
na,
May
di ba?
natutulog din sa street.
Or dun mismo sa may train station na nakatulog, natulog na siya dun sa may bench. It's amazing, bro. It's culture, bro. It's amazing.
Damn.
But anyways, holy shit.
Nice.
Speaking of like speaking of the new work cultures, bro. Like we were supposed to talk about the transition of us. Okay? Like we're now out of QC. You guys are in Pampanga. I'm literally nag-change server ako. Okay, I'm now in the
Literally.
UK. And it's been what? It's been a month? Has it
Eh,
been a month?
I think 2 months. Pa
Okay.
2 months ka na ata dyan? I think.
Yeah. Hindi, pa 1 month pa
Pa 1
lang
month
ako
pala ba?
dito.
Oo.
What the fuck? Yeah, pa 1 month pa lang ako dito. But kayo, pa 2 months na kayo sa Pampanga.
Yeah.
So, I want to kind of talk about that. You know, like how are things there? Right? Let's start with Ken. Like being in kasi si Chris hindi naman siya nag-transition eh. So it's more kami. So how is it? How is life in Pampanga, bro? Like how is it different from QC? How is it better? Is it easier or is it harder or like is it like somewhere in between?
For
What's going on?
me, financially, mas okay dito kasi laki ng rent ko dun sa QC. Tag dito sa condo. Like 13K, bro. Fucking hell, bro. Wala pa yung bills
Damn.
and shit. And so, yeah, I think mas
White ba yung
nagustuhan ko
landlord mo?
dito. Ano?
Mabait ba landlord mo? Mabait
Oo,
ba
mabait na
landlord
landlord ko. Oo nga.
Damn, sana all mabait ng landlords.
Mabait yung landlord ko, syempre.
Ah.
Then, ano pa ba? I mean, one thing na namimiss ko lang sa cities, yung malapit yung palengke. May palengke kasi
shit.
malapit
Ano
dun
bang
eh.
malapit na palengke dyan?
Di ba, may malapit dito kasi pero na-culture shock ako dito. Puta yung talipapa dito.
Why?
Ikaw magkakat. Di ba nandun yung baboy? Ikaw magkakat doon. You gonna cut
fucking
it yourself, bro. Puta wala naman ako
skill
alam.
issue, bro.
Bro.
Just-
Ano nakapakat that shit?
Hey, bro, that's why I told you to like follow Joshua Weissman, bro.
Joshua Weissman. I will.
Yeah, just search that guy, okay? He's
Joshua
the only guy
Weissman.
you need to know. Yeah, bro. Di mo kilala yun? It's
No.
like the
Di ko pa
glasses
nakikita.
guy who teaches you about cooking shit and it's so easy, bro. Yun ang laman ng newsfeed ko ngayon.
And,
Easy, bro. Putang ina, it's just big and then may cleaver tayo dyan. You know, you can learn
wala
how
yung
to
nga yung ano
cut.
eh. Medyo maano na eh. Well, di nila nadala yung pangasa. So anyway, sana madala.
Yeah, you can make a new one. I mean, you can buy a new one. It's cheap. It's Shopee, bro. It's like 100, 200 pesos.
Oh.
Or like,
No,
isang
don't
piso lang yun,
don't tell
gago,
them
para
that, bro.
mawala.
Don't tell them that, bro.
Why?
Sabi ko,
Why?
gago! Galing pang Japan yun! Mahal yun, boy! Galing na. Naniwala
Wait,
talaga.
yung ano ko? Yung mga
Oh,
yung mga whetstone
whetstone
ko?
mo.
Oo, gago. Oo, gago. Galing Japan yun.
Aaron, ako yung gusto na sabihin. Okay?
Galing Japan yun, gago.
Di man sila nanonood ng
Hindi,
podcast.
pero mahal yun, gago.
Hindi
Ang
sila
tinatawag,
mahal
yung
yun.
whetstone na yun, mahal talaga yun. Tangina, yung gano'n, yung
Mahaba?
bloke.
Yeah, yung mahaba.
Na pang ano, oo, like, may grit yun, may 1,000
How do
grit,
you
may
even,
500
how do you
grit
even
yun.
hustle in those whetstones? It's like,
Babasahin mo
it's
tapos
like,
you wet
gagawin
it.
mo.
Hindi, babasa, you soak it, tapos pagbasa na nila, and then you fucking do the thing.
Oh
Do the
shit, sounds
samurai
like a...
thing.
Damn, bro.
Gago, that was my life. Yun yung, alam mo, yun yung hyperfixation ko.
yeah, that
dati.
hyperfixation cost me my fucking fingers, man.
Bakit?
Tanga na, someone
Tinry mo
left,
ba?
someone
Chat,
left a fucking knife dun sa putang ng egg tray
Oh,
ng
yeah.
ano. I was like, I'm gonna get some eggs. Putang na, may naka-front dun na kutsilyo. I was like, what the
Watch
fuck?
out,
I remember
was like,
that.
pumunta ako si Jen. Jen, I need help. Putang fucking guy is streaming. I'm bleeding profusely, man.
I remember that, bro. I remember that. Nasa kitchen siya. Puta ka na. Ko, ba't tumudugo si Chris? Puta ka na. What the fuck is
Ina
this
mo.
guy? He was really bleeding a lot.
Who the
It was
fuck
like may
would
hiwa
put
siya.
a fucking knife in the ref, man? Like that.
It is probably like,
Actually, that was not me, bro. That was
nah,
fucking
it's
not
like
me.
yung
Why
ano
would I
yung
put
tawag
that
ito,
knife in
yung...
there? Yung toothpaste.
Yung toothpaste, yeah,
Hindi na
grabe,
nilagyan ng
yung toothpaste.
toothpaste.
Ang yung toothpaste nasa loob ng ano.
That toothpaste na nasa freezer, that fucking thing got solved, okay? Nagpapatong kayo ng
Di ba?
toothpaste dun sa ano, sa taas, tapos pag binubuksan niyo yung freezer, nalalagdag doon.
Oo, nalalaglag doon. Okay. Damn, with Detective Conan that shit. But yeah,
Well,
at
good
least,
thing.
at least yung
Patutbrush
pagkahasa ko
ka
was
na,
working.
patutbrush ka
bro.
na, puta, frozen yung toothpaste. Hindi ka na makatutbrush.
What the fuck? God damn. Alright. Anyways.
Ano pa ba?
Ken, so, other than that, like, walang palengking malapit.
May malapit naman, talipapa, pero medyo
meron
na-culture shock
naman.
lang ako. Yan, may
Talipapa
malapit
ba?
naman.
Where's
Pero
the
kasi,
talipapa?
Fuck is talipapa?
talipapa
Fuck
is
talipapa.
gilid-gilid na ano, mga bilihan.
Parang-
Hindi ko alam how to
okay.
pronounce it. Basta ganun, talipapa ako. We call that talipapa
ganda
sa
kaya.
Olongapo, pero di ko kung... Si Manila, di lang, ikaw, di ko
talipapa
alam.
yung isang area sa Manila eh. Talipapa. Yung
Ano, bro?
Paliparan.
Basta talipapa is like, may parang mini ano siya, mini market, wet market.
Market,
Parang ganun.
That's it. Okay. That's
And bibili naman ako doon.
Anything
Puta, dami nga doon eh. A good shit nga doon kasi marami sila magbigay ako. Hindi kasi frozen. Ewan ko, pag frozen kasi yata, mas maraming tubig yung laman nung ano. I'm not
Yeah.
sure, bro.
May
I think so, kaya parang ako konti.
May daya yung frozen, oh. May daya yung
Yeah,
frozen.
may daya yung frozen, no?
Maganda fresh.
Mas maganda talaga fresh. Doon
Ano
fresh
lang,
eh.
ang catch lang, fresh nga ba talaga?
Oh, yun ang tanong. Hindi mo alam kung fresh talaga.
So you gotta freeze it again to kill any microbes and it's not
Anyway, so, I think, so far I'm enjoying my life here kasi it's just peaceful. Pagising ko sa umaga, I'm just gonna bike, yung bike ni Neil. Ikot ako siguro mga dalawang
Damn.
beses. That's my, yun na yung parang ano ko, pampagising. Meron yung routine
at
ko.
that rate ba, no? At that rate ba, mababayaran mo na ba lahat ng utang mo?
Medyo. Utang ina mo, sinabi mo ba? Di ko na sinabi doon kanina sa unang kanina, di ba? Sabi ko, medyo not okay.
Yun yung medyo not okay.
Me and you, we can talk about this, man. Kasi ako,
Utang ina, I'm legit.
ako rin eh,
I'm
utang
dying,
din
bro.
ako, gago.
I'm legit dying. I was like, shit. Ako na depressed ako. Sabi ko, how do I pay this shit? People, puta yung, alam mo, packed up? Di ba kasi ganito, di ba sa stream ko? Di ko sinabi sa stream ko to. Ayaw, mga nanonood sa stream ko dyan. Ganito kasi, may games kasi sa Steam. Sabi nila, bilhin mo na lang kayo, send ko sa Gcash. Putang ina yung Gcash ko, pre. May loan yun. So, pag may nag-send ko na rin ng 200 pesos, kakainin din ang Gcash.
Hindi naman
Ganun sa akin, ganun, kinakain.
Naka-auto
Naka-auto
debit
yung
yung
akin.
sa'yo.
Yeah, kasi ano na eh, like
Oh,
parang overdue
Judith ka na, overdue ka na.
Overdue.
Sabi ko, shit.
Damn, viewers again. Tingnan nyo, see? Thanks to you guys,
Thank you sa mga-
nababawasan na yung loans.
Thank
Naging
you
masaya
kay,
yung
Ito na
kay,
nakalagay.
kay Commander Blue, nagbibigay sa akin ng game sa stream. Thank you.
Ito na lang nakalagay sa ano mo sa overlay mo sa stream. Pambayad ng utang.
Ang bad.
Hindi, alam mo yung goal, yung goal, yung goal
Donation
ng
goal.
donations. Ito, loan payment goal sa Gcash. Gago.
Gcash
Makikita
loan,
yung
bro.
bumabawas every time. Holy
Nah,
shit.
hell nah, bro. Anyway, yun lang I don't wanna talk about it too much. Di ako proud sa ganun.
Nice.
I just wanna finish it. I just wanna
Hey,
finish it.
at least nagbabayad ka na.
Yes, bro.
Binabayaran mo. Some
At
people,
least alam mo,
damn, bro.
at least alam mo.
Year.
Pero packed up lang. Ang dami tumatawag sa phone ko. Mga iba-ibang number ako. Sa kulay pula to eh.
What do you mean? Bakit? Are they like scammers? Or
No, really,
literally
no.
parang,
No,
"Uy,
like, ano."
bumayad ka na ng utang-utang mo naman.
Hindi,
Pupunta ka
shit.
namin, gago.
Si may fucking phone. Pura kulay pula. Exactly, bro.
What
Puta,
the
dinibili
fuck
number.
are those?
No, tawagan na rin. Murahin nyo. Sabi nyo, huwag nyo tawagan si...
Stop calling my boy!
Ako nga, dalawa na yung ano, like sobrang, I'm broke this year, this month. Dalawang payments na yung ginagawa ko sa Gcash, okay? Kaya nung nalaman kong di tayo mabayaran yung buwan at tanga na, na-stress
Puta.
ako kahapon eh. Parang feeling ko gusto kong mag-unalive kahapon eh.
Speaking of that sound, di ba na-delay kasi? Ang na-depress ako, sabi ko, putang ina, ito yata yung taon na wala akong may hahanda kasi wala akong pera. Sabi ko, paano kaya
Hindi aabot yung 500 peso na
Abot
Chibuela.
yung 100 ko, puta, ano yun? Bato ko sa kanila yun eh. Putang ina yun. Basta, yun lang. Kahapon na-depress ako, sabi ko, putang ina, di abot yung pera. Di abot yung sahod kasi na-delay yung YouTube namin, something.
Sa sobrang depressed ko, ano eh. Nagtrabaho na lang ako eh. Dinidistract ko yung sarili ko na wala akong pera. Tatrabaho na lang
Tama
ako.
yun, okay?
Do the
Tama,
Japanese
tama.
strat, bro. Do the
May nabasa kasi ako somewhere, okay? Sabi niya na, do not worry about your worries. Because it will
Tama, sabi
materialize.
ka kanina.
Tawa.
Sabi niya sa akin, doon sa ano. Sabi ko, okay.
How's that working for you, John?
Wala lang. I'm not worrying, bro. I'm not worrying, bro. See? I'm chilling, bro.
Okay guys, PR is dying, okay?
Pero sometimes, I sometimes crash out, you know, like... Tapos parang it's just a span of the moment and I remind myself na I shouldn't worry kasi may ipis sa harap ko.
Yan, ilabas mo doon, ilabas mo. Tapos may galit mo dyan sa putang inang ipis na yun. Pakima mo. Pakima mo, John. Oh, God. Damn, look at that. Na-sense na gago may hockey yun yung putang ng ipis na yun. Fucking that shit. Having a boss fight moment right here. Holy shit, look at that. No way, bro.
Tangin na, nandun siya sa ano eh. Ay, tuloy. Oh.
Ayun lang.
Maybe
Ay,
this
gagi.
ipis is just like me, bro. Trying to live, you know?
Speaking of putang, okay, kasi may nakalive ako, di ba? Then yun, may nag-challenge sa akin. Mag-stay daw ako pag 5 a.m. Puta, nag-send daw siya 5K. So, tonto ako, shit, magagamit ko ng Gcash ko! Tapos yung 5K na send, puta, 1K na lang yung natira kasi inauto agad yung bawas. Like, fuck!
At least wala ka
Thank you.
lang.
So he
Thank you,
actually
Commander
sent
Blue. I love
5K.
you.
He actually sent 5K.
He sent 5K, bro.
Damn, W's
W
fucking
Commander Blue.
Okay pala yun.
Blue.
Solve na
Holy
pala
shit.
yun.
Tanga na, nandito pala yung ano eh. Yung sasagot sa pagbabayad ng utang ko eh. I should stream too.
And why are you not streaming, bro?
I don't know.
Anyway, what is it?
I should stream too, bro. What happened, John? Did you fucking what is that
What the
face,
fuck
bro?
what is that face, bro?
What the fuck did you do, bro? What did you do, bro?
Wala lang.
He's making a face. Gago. Ano mo naisip ko?
Alam mo naisip ko?
Like,
Para kumita tayo.
ano?
Pag-upload tayo, gagawa tayo channel, tapos tawagin nating Pinoy's Place, gago.
Utang ina
Sa
ka.
una
Oh,
nating
damn,
upload,
bro.
That's a
Pacify,
fucking
gago.
good idea.
Yeah.
Feeling ko
bro.
papaldo tayo
Honestly,
dun eh.
bro, I feel like ang gawin natin, I feel like gawa tayo ng gaming house and then we all live there.
Tama. It's like after
And then we
3
make a
years,
channel, bro.
gagawa tayo ng Pinoy's Podcast, gago.
Oh shit, damn, bro, that's fucking nice. That's true. Okay. Tapos ano? It's gonna be the four of us, bro.
Yeah.
Tama.
We're gonna make it
Or
work.
we're gonna hire some gullible
It's
idiot
gonna be
who just
4 of us
graduated
and
IT, man.
Pedro, bro. It's just the four of us and Pedro, bro.
Yeah, and then we're gonna hire some gullible idiot that
Tawa.
graduates IT to edit our videos, man.
Oo, tama.
Tawa.
Mahilig mag... Oo. Tapos sabi, na-racist din, gago.
Yo! Fuck you, what the hell?
Wow!
I'm a racist din, huh? What do you mean by that, bro?
Para maganda yung lore natin, okay. So gagawa tayo ng gagawa tayo ng react channel. Tapos we're gonna react to like memes na sinasubmit nila. And then each of us has like some kind of niche. For example, yung editor na yun, like puro mga racist memes. Yung isa naman puro ano yun.
Damn, bro.
Kabaklaan and all that shit. Damn,
You might be
bro.
onto something, bro.
I might be onto something here, bro. Or maybe gaming was a mistake.
Maybe it was, bro. Imagine like there comes a time no na parang shit's not viable anymore. So like imagine recording is tedious. Habang full-time mo na trabaho, imagine hindi na kasi you're now forced to work in McDonald's, you know, like you'll be like, I have no energy, bro. Tangina, magkano na mag-record. Magsasabi mo lang, chicken, one piece chicken nuggets.
Galing ako sa...
One piece chicken nuggets, sir. Ano pa, gusto nyo pa ng...
Imagine. I'm gonna
Sorry,
like,
bro.
for example, like if we totally fall off and then we start working in McDonald's or some kind of fast food chain. Tapos puta ilalagay ka sa ano, 'di ba? Ilalagay ka sa drive-thru. Tangina, pag nag-orders yung
Hey, what's up, guys? Sorry, siglo ako. Order
Yo,
ba?
what's up, guys? Can I take your order, please?
Hindi ko yung ginawa for the last 6 months nung simula ng January. Pukin ang ina niya eh.
What?
Tapos nag-order siya, 'di ba? Like one piece fries, sir, and one Mac chicken nugget. Okay, sir. Thanks for the donation, sir. Thanks for your $50. Like, comment and subscribe, sir. Thank you.
Ano pa rin eh.
Gaga,
pa rin.
nag-shout out ka. Oo, gago. Naka-ingrain sa'yo. Tapos papagalitan ka ng manager mo. Tapos yung manager mo pala, tangina siya yung parang 10 million subscribers dati. And then fall off na cancel na. Dahil sa mga allegation. Tangina yan. Oh shit! Holy fuck. Okay, I will copyright this. Okay, I will copyright this idea.
Oh, what do you mean?
What if there's like a manga? Ang story niya, it's like,
A life of like a
fast food chain or parang kakarinderya siya pero lahat ng employees mga former content creators na nalaos na.
Oh, fuck.
This is gonna be like their life, bro. Yung isa yung parang kaldag streamer, yung isa naman parang online seller, yung isa naman like parang Mr. Beast siya dati, ganun. Holy shit. Everyone has like a backstory of what kind of content creator they are. Damn. Idea. Copyrighted ko na yun, Ako nagsimula ng idea na pag may gumawa ng ganyan.
Patent mo na. Patent na.
Ipapakredit ako, okay? Yun. Damn. See? It's amazing, bro.
It's amazing.
But maybe gaming was
It's a mistake,
maybe
bro.
gaming was a mistake, bro. Tangina, yun ba title ng podcast na to? No, bro. Gaming was a mistake.
Maybe, bro.
But anyways, like, alam mo, like, yung may mantra na ako ngayon. Let's say, for example, pag natamad ako, or parang, like, if ever I'm at a point na, like, shit, I don't wanna fucking work. Ano sinasabi ko sa sarili ko?
What?
No gagawin.
No gagawin.
So the next,
Kinausap yung
so
sarili.
the next time, like, you feel like, the next time you think na parang, shit, I wanna unalive myself because fuck this life, bro. Sabihin mo yung sarili mo, no gagawin, bro. It wakes you up, bro. It actually wakes you up. Kasi now, it's like, you gotta do something, you know? It's either you do it or you don't. No gagawin.
May nabasa ako, there's like two types of people, you know. There's like the first is the one that overanalyzes things, yung mga nagpaplano and all that shit. And then the other ones are the doers, you know.
The fuck it, we
And I
ball,
feel like-
guys.
I feel like the doers are like the ones that are running this world, bro. I feel like, you know, like parang si Speed, you know, they probably sleep and wake up like, damn, I'ma do this, you know, ganun. They don't overanalyze.
They don't have a plan, bro.
They don't have like, oh fuck, what if it doesn't work? Walang ganun, you know.
Yeah.
Just do it.
Yeah.
You're just doing it.
Damn. So are you a doer or are you an analyzer, bro?
I am an overanalyzer. That's why I'm fucking...
Same, bro.
Wala na lie, bro. Makes you realize like the things na fuck could be that you can't, you know.
Oh yeah, let's make a fucking YouTube channel with people with ADHD. Yeah, this is gonna fucking work.
That's actually fun. You know, that's something I never considered, bro. Holy shit. Oh, I know. Damn. Guys, if there's one tip, don't make a channel together or don't work with people with ADHD, okay? Like me. It's gonna fuck you up. So anyways, no gagawin.
Gagawin.
Anong
No
gagawin?
gagawin. Shit. All right. So, thanks Ken for sharing your
thank
your
you.
experience right now. Wait, like so how's your wait, 'di ba kasi may mga editors may mga housemates kang editors dyan? How is life with them, bro? How is life with them? I'm not curious.
You said that you were excited.
Shit, what is that?
Yeah, you said
Yeah,
you were excited.
we got brothers, bro.
Yeah, I'm excited.
No more brothers.
I got brothers now.
Okay.
3 more brothers, bro.
You got brothers.
We got brothers, bro.
Your brothers. Ano ba nangyari dyan?
Okay naman,
Can you walk me through like an average day there?
Average
together?
day, pinakauna. May kita ko minsan si RC alas 3 kasi minsan 3 a.m. Gising na ako, 4 a.m. Kita ko si RC. He's just cooking and shit or nagkumakain siya kasi baliktad yung tulog niya.
Okay.
Then after that, mga around 6 or 7, nakikita ko naman si Aaron. And our guy is, is very religious and, nakikita ko yung nanonood siya dyan sa TV
Yeah,
or
he is.
saka nagbabasa siya. And, kaya ko lang siya, syempre. I'm gonna do my stuff, gonna do his shit. And si Rolly naman, ganun din, mga 7-6. Dito na siya, mag-almusal. Then nagugulat sila, "Ikaw nag-almusal, Kel?" No, bro. Hindi ako nag-almusal ako. Simula high school yata ako, parang di na ako nasanay mag-almusal eh. Usually, lang
Man,
talaga
you
ako.
skip it? Damn, you keto, bro.
Yeah, bro.
Okay.
I don't
Alright.
usually do that. Parang
Do
hindi ako masyado
breakfast, okay.
nag-ramen niya. Nag-breakfast. After nun,
Breakfast, yeah.
yeah, that's it. Magluluto na ako and shit. Ano pa ba? Yeah, that's pretty much
How do
it.
you spend your day?
Pagkikita ko sila ako.
Any common issues or problems na
Nung una lang ako, medyo nagulat ako.
Okay.
Kasi paglipat nila dito, di ba, as you know, I have no fucking money, bro. I'm broke as shit. So, nagulat ako.
Okay.
Paglipat nila dito, ginamit yung bigas ko sa akin. Oh shit, pag naubos yun. I'm cook. Puta, how the fuck I'm gonna feed myself? So, pag bumili sila kunyari, puta, parang ako naman yung mahihiya na kumuha sa kanila. Kasi, as my personality, I cannot do that. Pag hindi ako niyaya, I will never do it, bro. So, dun pa yung kinabahan
Okay,
ako.
that's
Sabi ko, after that, it's good na. It's good.
Na-resolve yun na yan.
Na-resolve na. Kasi,
Bili ko lang.
Aaron,
System na.
alam ko si Aaron yung mag-edit nito, masyado akong mayayain, masyado akong, I don't know how to talk to people, I don't know how to confront people.
Aaron, kung pag nagalit nyo si Ken, hindi kanya kakausapin, okay? Sasaksakin ka na lang niya, okay? He's gonna blow up, he's gonna fuck you guys up, alright?
He's gonna send you somewhere.
Yeah. He's gonna be a doer, okay? Hindi na siya mag-overanalyze.
Ang fucked up lang kasi, if okay lang kung may pera ako that time, may wala eh. I'm like, shit man. That's like my last money done. Tas ganon, kaya medyo, I'm on edge,
Yes.
Anyway,
See, that's the root of all evil, guys. Money.
Money is the root of evil.
Holy
Sabi
shit.
nila, money can't buy happiness. Puta, bigyan niyo yung pera niyo sa akin.
Money can't buy happiness. By rich
Tangina,
people,
pre.
bro.
By rich people.
By rich
Exactly,
people.
bro.
By rich people. Yeah, that's fucking true, bro. Nice. Good shit.
That's it, bro.
Si John, di ko pa masyado matatanong about yung transition sa PR house kasi he's
Pupunta
literally
naman
still
si
living
Vanilla
on his own
dito,
place.
Bro,
Pero
wala
for
pa
the last
si
3
John.
days, I've been sleeping there.
Bibis
Alright,
ko,
hindi
bro.
ka lalaro.
Nice.
Holy shit. Parang may na ako ngayon eh, may tawag dito. What do you call that shit? Ano bang term
Baka may-
yun? Yung parang
office, ganun.
may sinusunod na ako na, what is it, kid?
The morning routine.
Yeah, yun, routine. That's the word, bro. May routine na ako.
Okay.
Routine is nice, bro.
Alright. Then, walk us through your routine.
Okay,
Yung
fucked
routine
up.
mo.
Yeah, sa
routine,
akin medyo fucked up sa akin, okay? Kasi nagigising ako alas 2 ng
Okay.
hapon.
Putang ina.
alas
Holy
2.
Yeah,
Alas 2
4
sa
nagigising
hapon.
siya eh.
So I wake up, bro, and then I wake up in the morning, bro. Feeling very sexy, you know what I'm saying? Joke.
What the hell eh.
You fucking nag-play sa utak ko yung song mo gagawa.
Yung Cole.
I wake up in the
In the morning, yung Cole.
Alright. And
And
then,
then, immediately, I either cook or eat, bro. Kasi, cooking is nice, feels good, to cook and wash dishes and all that shit.
Is everyone here cooking now? Like,
Yes, I'm
Yeah,
cooking,
bro.
bro.
Like, with
Good
the,
shit, good stuff,
imagine buying sa Food Panda in this economy, bro. Tangina. Na,
Tapos ang
cooking
pangit na lasa ng Jollibee dito.
Legit, bro. Like, at ang ina, 400 na
Yeah, is Jollibee falling off?
Yeah.
Why did I buy this shit? Gumano na kayo. It's like, yun nga, umorder na lang tayo to remind ourselves why we don't buy anymore. Alam mo yun?
Tama.
Diba?
Sa tingin niyo ba, like, ang laki ng, like, sobrang laki na natitipid niya pag
Yes!
kaya?
Putang ina.
Nagluluto na lang.
Yung-
ng
yeah.
grocery.
Yung 400 pesos or 300 pesos para nagluto, it's gonna last me for 2 to 3 days, bro.
Tapos
See?
Tapos sa Food
See,
Panda,
guys?
isa lang
How
yun,
the
no?
fuck? What happened to like 4K mong putang ina? Ano nangyari?
Did you buy?
maybe I have
What the fuck did you buy with 4K, bro?
Maybe I think
That
I
lasted you 3 days.
Maybe I have maybe I overestimated my budgets. Baka 2K lang pala yan, sorry.
But still, what was okay for 10? Actually, yeah. Okay, 2K for 3 days.
Yeah.
That makes sense.
Amazing. Pwede.
4K na, 4K sa linggo.
Okay, that makes more sense. Alright.
Ang notable
Ay,
lang
gago.
ngayon sa bahay, di ba? Like, sobrang chill.
Ah.
Is gamit na gamit
Yeah.
yung Japanese rice cooker, gago. Legit.
Ah,
Like,
yeah,
gamit,
hell
gamit,
yeah, dude.
parang
Gamit.
gacha siya eh. Parang gacha siya like, oh shit, I see like it's yung kanin parang more than 12 hours na.
Umabot
Pagbukas
nga
ko,
32 yun eh.
madami pa. Shit! Gawa ganun hanggang sa magacha mo puta.
May laman, bro.
Ikaw yung last touch, gago. Legit, pag ikaw yung last touch, sasaingan mo na yun agad, eh. Wala na, okay. That's just how it is, bro. It's like an unwritten rule.
Okay.
It's an unwritten rule, okay.
Pag ikaw last. Ako kasi, nakaiwalay ako eh.
Last, ano? Yeah. Nakaiwalay siya ganun eh. It wants to be different, bro.
I want to be different.
Kasi,
Fuck this
Different,
guy, bro. May sarili kang rice cooker na maliit.
Yeah.
Bro.
Kasi day
Sa
ones.
gilid.
God damn, bro. Holy shit, nice. So, ano ginagawa mo dun sa bahay, John? Like, since your
Ano?
PC is there.
My PC is
Like,
here.
you have another PC dun?
Yeah, meron.
PC
Yeah,
siya dito.
your PC is right. Pero may PC ka rin dyan sa bahay ni... Ano?
Yes. Diyan sa
bahay
kwarto.
ni Ken.
Sa bahay na yun. Sa kwarto, mayroon naman. May PC ako dun. So, for the past
Damn.
3 days, actually 4 or 5, I think. Natulog ako dun for 4 times, bro. It was chill. Like, literal chill kasi puta na walang kumot. Puta. Yung lamig, puta.
Damn.
Pinalaba ko yung mga shit mo dun. Tapos di ko na nababalik. Ayun, nasa likod pa nga ata. Yes, kakapalaba ko lang.
Oh, yeah, that one. That's
Yeah.
fucking cool, dude.
Pinalaba ko na.
Thanks. Good shit.
Eh, di ko pa nalagay
Speaking
dun.
of chill, man.
Ano?
Like, kasi di ba yung unang, I think, narinig ko, may nagreklamo yung mga editors sa, na mainit daw nung first few days dyan sa,
Na I think,
is it still the,
ako,
is
like,
that still the case
I
dun
feel
sa,
like ito yung nangyari nun, no, eh. Galing
Oo.
kasi sila sa
Yeah,
PR, eh.
Oh,
And
yeah,
aircon
Oo.
palagi kasi doon. Inano mo
Yeah,
kasi
sa
sila.
QC kasi, PRQC, 24/7 sila. Okay?
Aircon doon,
Diba?
gago, legit.
24/7 aircon
Nasanay
sila.
lang ako.
Nasanay sila
Oo.
okay.
Oo. So ngayon, dyan sa, sa
I think
bahay,
everyone got
ano
used to it. Legit, tas,
Mm.
ano na din,
Pinadala ko na ng
sinervice,
electric fan, di ba?
sinervice na rin doon yung electric fan ni Ken. So like, pag naramdam ako ng init, sinabi ko lang, buksan nyo nga yung loads. Puta na, init eh. Gano'n eh. Kaya medyo malamig naman, chill. I don't know, maybe sige, maybe kasi maulan. Ay, ngayon nga, makulimlim eh, no? Kala ko, uulan eh. Di umulan. So, but there are
I
times.
see the EPs, bro, behind you, bro.
Asan? Gumagalaw ha?
Ayun na. Gumagalaw nasa likod mo na. Literally, nasa likod mo na. No, like behind you, nasa may kutsyon gago. I saw it, bro.
I see it, bro. I need to kill this bitch.
I told you, bro. It's literally right there. Nakahilito. Tangin.
He's doing it.
Fucking mo, bro. Boom! Tangin.
Patay si Antonio.
Did it escape?
Fuck, it escaped,
Damn,
bro.
I can't believe, bro.
Tangina.
Of course it did, bro. It's a cockroach, bro. Can't believe nakita ko yun. Alam mo, sobrang liwanag kasi. So,
So like, may
na-contrast siya
isang
sa,
itim lang, no?
Oh, it's like
May
a
isang
fucking,
itim
there's a
dark spot.
pixel, black pixel like moving there, bro. Holy
Yung
shit.
problema dito, daming ipis. Okay, fuck. Sucks.
Yun. Diyan sa bahay natin, sa bahay ni Ken.
Dito puro langgam, okay.
Ba
Puta
dyan?
kulay pula.
Langgam.
Sabi ko nga, pag bumili sila ng borax, I will kill them, oh.
Okay. that's
Borax,
good. Don't leave, just don't leave food out in the...
Now, we're
There is
gonna
no-
kill the queen, oh.
Ano, okay.
By borax.
Tama.
Ang problema ko dito sa
Kill the
Tarlac, puro
fucking-
fruit flies eh.
Puta,
Gago.
bigyan nung kay
Ay.
Vanilla, okay. Kulay blue.
Gago,
Diyan kay John eh.
Legit, may binili akong ganyan. It's like, it literally solved the fruit flies, bro, issue.
Wow, ano yan? Ano
Kulay,
ginawa mo?
yung ano, nag-attract. Yung nag-attract. Yung kulay blue tapos may
Wow.
electric. Ano.
What the fuck? Sa inang yan?
See the shit? Yeah, that shit.
Yeah, there you
That
go.
shit?
Yeah.
Meron
So, it
din ako
attracts
ganyan.
it to
Wala na
that-
ako wala na ako UV light dun sa Kundi na.
I don't think that's a UV light. I think that's an electric
No, that's
zapper.
It is an
right?
Yeah,
electric
it's-
zapper.
It
May
is an
UV light,
example
bro.
with a UV light.
That's how you lure them in, bro,
Na-attract
with
sila,
the UV light,
na-attract
bro.
sila.
Lure them in, bro. And then fuck them up, man. God damn.
Holy
Holy
pala
shit,
ng background
nice.
ko, gago, hindi ko na napansin.
The only thing I
Holy fuck.
worry about dun sa binili kong is like, baka maiihiyan ni Ragnar yung putang inang that fucking dog's gonna die if ever.
Puta, ihara mo naman,
Ba't mo kasi ilalagay
Pwede sa
sa
taas,
baba?
oh.
Lagay mo sa taas. Oo.
Pwede sa
Kundi na
taas
nga
yun.
eh!
Pataas mo, lalagay mo sa mga cabinet, ganun.
Lagay mo dyan sa
pinakataas.
may labubus ni Binky, Put it there. Should be good.
Oh, labubo, man.
Ano?
Jesus Christ.
Sa labubo, bro.
You know what I mean. Okay. Jeez, sa labo, bro. Okay.
Anyway.
Nice.
Ayun,
So that
Well, speaking of
I guess
aircon
that's
kasi,
it for John.
sinabi ko kasi, may tracker tayo, diba, dahil sa Sunways. Thank you ulit sa Sunways. Thank you. May tracker tayo. Pag binubuksan sila, nakikita ko nag-spike ng 1.5 to 2K. That aircon alone.
Yung
Like a holy
kilowatt.
shit.
Oh, kasi ang malakas eh.
Malakas
3
yun
watts
eh.
siya. 3 ano yan?
3 kilowatts.
Ano ba siya? 3 something? 3
3
kilowatts siya.
to
3K, 3K nga, 3K.
Oh,
Ah.
3K mo na, i-max mo na, oh.
nag-ano
2K.
siya.
Basta malakas yung
Malakas
aircon
siya,
natin dyan sa
malakas
may
siya, oh.
sala.
Kasi
Oo.
ano din, like,
Oo.
example, pag binuksan kasi yung Japanese parang door na tingi, puta buong bahay papalamigin nun.
Kaya palamigin niya.
Oo.
So imagine mo, like,
Exactly,
the
bro.
motor's gonna run for like 2 hours.
Tapos saglit, tapos papatayin ulit, tapos bubuksan ulit pag may tao. So it's gonna cook our bill, you know? Like, imagine mo, kunyari ako. Pag pumasok ako, bubuksan ko. Then ngayon, pag tapos silang kumain, papatay. Tapos pag may pumasok ulit na isa, di gonna open again. Puta, it's gonna
Nag-open it
recycle,
again.
it's gonna fuck our bill.
Yeah. That's why it's better to just, wag niya na i-on.
Yeah, wag na i-on,
Nag-ano ako ng mandate, okay? Nag-ano ako ng mandate. Bawal na maggamit na tong aircon sa may sala hanggat may bisita o kaya may
special
special
event.
recording.
Special occasion,
Dun lang. Okay. I mean, come on, man. Like, the house is literally built to be cooled down. Like, you have tins,
I'll be
you got,
honest,
like,
hindi naman,
yung,
para sa akin,
yung,
hindi
yung
ganun kainit
ventilator.
I can,
And then ngayon kasi
ano?
parang ano siya, it's December, bro.
Oh, yeah. O nga pala. Tapos
Antayin natin
sabi-
summer, gago. Legit. Lahat na nakausap ko.
Tingnan natin. Actually,
Lahat na nakausap ko, legit. Si Coach Mark, sabi like, damn, lumipat na yung Pampanga. Sabi sa akin, una yung sinabi, puta nang init dyan na, gawa na. Sabi ko, what the fuck? Why does everyone, I tell about Pampanga, mainit?
Yeah, mainit. Puta na, we are...
It's in the middle of the
talaga.
fucking land, bro.
Yeah,
The landmass.
we're landlocked. We are in a landlocked province. right?
Well, that's a good thing, okay? Mainit means good shit for our, okay? For solar.
Solar power, exactly. I was about to say that.
But
More yield of power,
but you know,
bro.
like the aircon gonna run more.
And that's why we have the... Hindi, kaya may ano tayo yung, 360 solar ventilators, bro.
And then that's
To keep the house cooler, bro, para hindi mahirapan
room
yung
natin
aircon.
nun eh. Nakunik ba sa room namin yun?
Hindi, like,
Sa sala.
it's like
Tatambay ka muna sa sala.
centralized, bro. Sa sala siya naka-ano. But yeah, it should cool down everything. Nice. Good fucking shit. Speaking of bills, by the way, dumating na ba yung bill na?
Wala pa,
Wala
oh.
pa mobile sila.
Like yung-
Wala pa. I'm actually super excited,
Actually, meron
bro.
na. Actually, meron na
I'm-
last time. Kaso, it's bill kasi na may ano pa. May
Hindi pa yun yung ano,
ginamitan pa ng
yung-
power tools.
Yeah, power tools. May mga heavy duty pa sila
What?
dun.
Yeah.
May mga ano pa.
Yung may
okay,
gumagawa
okay.
pa na ano.
Pero that was last month.
Yeah,
that was last month. Hindi yung ano.
Ito na yung
baka
real
next
no.
So ang
Ito na
inintay
yung
natin
benchmark.
ngayon yung
Yeah.
ito na yung benchmark yung
Yeah.
parating.
Yung real na
Not
real, oh.
really
Can't wait,
kasi
can't wait.
parang bago sila umalis kanina, ay nung nakaraan, like, nag-work pa sila ng 3 to 4 days na may heavy duty. So, kinda not accurate pero, medyo close lang siguro.
It's fine.
Yeah, it's gonna be fine.
Parang PC lang ngayon. Okay? It's easy. Alright.
Ano
Thanks
ba?
for the update. Life update, guys.
May napanood
Ay.
pa okay kasi.
Ano pa?
Doon sa CR, di ba, sinabi mo na doon si Boss Anjo, gusto ko kasi, papadagdagan ko pinalaganan ng soap. Sabi ko kasi, Boss Anjo, pag dumating po yung Simula Manila, syempre pa nag-stay na, kulang po yung laglalaganan ng soap or tsaka yung mga conditioner. At tsaka yung gel ko pa
yung
maglalagay din, sabi ko. Pwede po ma-install na ng stainless or ng pabain. Ang sabi niya kasi, may tube daw doon, may tubo. So, hindi daw pwede pabain. Then ngayon, stainless na lang.
Yes. Yeah, exactly. Ano na lang, parang mounts na lang
Mounts na lang
ilalagay
kasi
niyo doon.
talaga.
Which should be easy
Should
for
be
you
easy,
guys to
yeah,
like
yeah.
to install.
Yun lang naman.
Pati dun sa pinto, like you can put hooks there and shit. Tapos yung yung lalagyan, yung parang patungan niyo dun sa may what do you call this, sa lababo. Kaya niyo na yun.
Yes, sir.
Should be easy, bro. Ano pa ba? I guess that's it for the life updates dyan sa bahay. You know?
Some of it, bro. Yes.
Sasabihin nyo na lang pag, just some of it. So, pero overall, good shit naman.
Good
Good
shit.
shit naman so far, okay. I think
Good shit.
I
Okay,
think
that's
the
good.
editors are enjoying it,
Of course they are.
They are enjoying
Yes,
it.
they are.
Of course they are, bro. Nakita ko yung mga video. So, guys, please, gumawa kayo ng vlog dyan, okay? So that may ma-reactan ako, okay?
Wala bang ano
Just
dito,
waiting-
libreng
I'm
camera
just
dito.
waiting for, dude,
Yung-
I'm just waiting for
Will
the
vlog?
fucking,
Pag may camera ako hawak ko.
Inisip ko yung vlog namin dun, Pasko na eh.
New Pasko agad.
yeah, sure, do it, man. Like, fucking,
Gago
basta may
legit,
ma-reactan ako.
gagawa kami ng
react to
Christmas
that
party dyan, gago. Tama kayo, tama.
Tama,
Yung
ah.
Christmas party, bro.
Yes.
Ngayon
And
ko lang
also
na-
may
ngayon-
karaoke,
ngayon-
bro.
literal, ngayon ko lang naisip.
Magde-decorate kayo and everything?
No! Hell na, bro!
Okay.
Hindi, bibili kami
Just
ng
gonna,
ng Christmas tree.
celebrate.
Alam mo yung pinakamaliit, yung ganito
Maliit lang,
nakalaki.
maliit lang.
Yeah. Oo.
Just to have a...
Merry
Ganyan
Christmas,
yung mukha ni
boys!
Neil.
Gaganon. Tapos ito yung Christmas tree mo galing Shopee. Putang ina yan. 150 pesos na Christmas tree. Yan ang solid.
God damn. So, shit. That's the life update sa PR, I guess.
Yes, for now.
Time for... Oh yeah, speaking of... Baka nyo kalimutan. Nagre-request yung mga tao ng Pinoy's cooking, bro. You guys keep cooking. So it's actually literally time to cook.
We
Make
just,
some cooking content, okay?
we just cooked kanina, okay?
We just cook kanina.
Kaya nga, pero you guys
wala
need
kang-
to
hindi ka
record
nagre-record
that, bro. I swear to God, just record that, okay? Just for random episodes, people are gonna love that shit, okay? People like to see people cook, bro. Naisip mo niya ba yun? Like parang, ang dami-dami na natin napanood ng mga cooking recipe videos and all that shit, mga Ninong Rai, mga Gordon Ramsay and all that shit. And yet, we still fucking watch other people cook. For some reason, bro. I don't know. It's just a thing. Like, parang, did this guy do it better? Did this guy do it the same? Ganun.
Kasi ba kami ng ng prep, gano'n.
Yeah, it drives curiosity. At hanggang ngayon daw, wala pa rin nakaka-perfect or nakakakuha nung tamang pagluto ng Jollibee at their home, bro. Wala pa ako nakikita naka-perfectly recreate nung Jollibee chicken
Oh,
joy.
Wala na
They
gago.
do,
Kahit
no?
nga Jollibee, di nila kaya eh. Putang na nila eh.
Wala na nga
Hindi,
yung Jollibee.
that's fucking true.
Nakalimutan na nga nila eh.
The original recipe is lost.
Ang inang yan, yung
Kaya
manok nila
pala.
parang mas masarap pa yung manok sa lawas. Yung kanto fried chicken nga. Parang mas malasa pa
Sabi
yun.
nga daw ni Nili, ano yung sabi ni Nili? Yung deli chicken
Deli
daw. Is
chicken,
like better.
masarap.
Meron dito. Kasi may
Fuck,
spicy.
I've never tried that shit. Damn. Next time, I want to see that. All right.
Alright.
Okay, I guess I'll give you guys an update on my end. Unless ikaw, Chris, do you have any life updates on your end? Anything new?
kay life
Wala.
update bro.
Okay.
Wala,
I'll give you guys
sisira
like
ako.
a...
I hit my
Sige,
card
sige,
dito
sige.
sa
Naririnig pa rin yan.
Yeah, maririnig ko kayo.
Ano yun, Chris?
life update. Nasira yung aking hard drive na binigay sa akin ni Gian.
Whoa! What the fuck?
Yeah,
Hiningi
yeah.
mo yun, Gauss.
No,
Binigay ka.
you give it to me for like storage.
Okay.
And fucking hell,
Oh,
that
yeah,
thing
yeah.
was like 10 or 11 years old now. Like, remember the
Is that
time?
the Barakuda? Is that the
It is.
Fire Kuda?
It is.
Fucking A,
Like,
dude.
Like legit, pinag-uusapan natin tong hard drive nito. So, yeah, like, putang na your hard drive. Sucks, binigay mo sa akin hard drive. Still alive, bro. 2 days later, putang na biglang pumalya.
It's been there. It's that Fire Kuda has been living for like
Yeah.
7
It
or 8
served me well,
years. So
but-
alam nyo na, Fire Kuda peeps, kung 5 or 6 years old na yung ano nyo, Fire Kuda nyo, it's time to change. Okay. Actually, nagkaroon ako ng big revelation ngayon thanks to you guys, yung mga insights nyo. Kasi recently, di ba, nasisira yung ano ko, yung pumapalyan na rin yung OBS ko when I'm recording it to HDD. So, apparently guys, ako, naka-HDD pa rin ako. Like, a lot of my drives in my PC are HDDs. Isa lang yung SSD ko. Yun yung ano ko, yung OS drive ko, yung isang NVMe. And then that's it. And the rest are like
HDD
4
na.
terabyte fucking HDDs. And then yung nag-post ako doon na, guys, ano yung pinaka mabilis na HDD? I felt so stupid, pero like, I get it. Nag-post ako sa profile ko, guys, ano yung pinakamabilis na HDD na pwede kong gamitin? Kasi, di ba, my OBS sucks, ganun. And then people are like, what? Old man, what the fuck are you doing? Ba't naka-HDD ka pa rin? It's the age of SSDs, bro.
Yeah.
What are you doing? Ganun. How many times are we gonna teach you this, old man? And I'm like, what the fuck? Oo nga, no? Not a single person was recommending magbili ako ng bago HDD. Everyone's just saying,
Yeah.
SSD ka na.
Yeah.
Ganun.
The only reason
And then,
na
like,
HDD
what the
was
fuck? Nobody taught me this shit.
Hindi pa kasi abot ng SSD yung capacity.
Price
That
point
was
na
like 10 years ago, 7 years ago, 8 years ago. Normally,
yeah,
price
yeah,
like hindi
that's
like
true.
I think
SSD
kung meron
is
ka
like
ngang 200
126.
gigabytes, diba? Like, parang what the fuck, this is good now. Ganun. Ganun, ngayon there's like 2 terabytes 4 terabytes.
Yeah, there's a 4 terabyte. I actually ordered the 4 terabyte one.
Tsaka
I
mahal
got one
dati,
for a good
mahal rin
deal.
dati yung SSD. Yung
SSD, yeah.
malalaking
Yeah.
size.
Yeah.
I think I remember yung gamit ko ngayon na SSD na NVMe. I think it was 20k, bro.
Putang ina mahal.
Dati. Ngayon,
2
magkano na?
terabyte. Awan ko, like, may nakita dito si Bo, 6k lang ata to. Puta, 3k, 4k. And like, I don't
Diba?
know.
Bumaba na
Mas
nga.
naging
eh.
accessible
Nagmura
na kasi.
siya.
Yeah, mas dumami na kasi.
Yeah, that's true.
Marami na siyang
And it makes
kompetensya.
so much sense. And then it actually allowed me to find out that my fucking motherboard that's been with me for almost 3 or 4 years has 3 fucking free slots or 4 slots of NVMe.
Yeah, we literally have the same motherboard, bro. What the fuck?
Yun nga eh. So I'm like, damn, should have just installed more. So yun, I was frantically searching for SSDs sa Amazon. Pero putang ina, yung rin-recommend nyo na SSD, yung Samsung, yung 990 Pro na
990,
bago na
mahal.
ano. Putang ina, ang mahal
Mahal yun.
dito. I swear to God, man, like the fucking SSD market here is so inflated sa UK compared sa Pinas. Kasi yung 2 terabyte na 990 Pro dyan sa Pinas na still available is 10K or mga 11K sa Data Blitz na last na nakita ko. Dito, the same thing, you're gonna have to pay like 15K. It fucking sucks, man. Kahit mag Black Friday pa yan. Yung Black Friday sale nila is like yung presyo ng Data Blitz. It sucks! And ang hirap puro out of stock pa.
Yun lang.
So, ayun. So, if you guys are thinking na mura yung mga gadgets dito sa UK,
Wait,
no?
is that the reason na nag-post ka
Fuck
sa
no,
Facebook ng sino yung luluwas papunta sa UK?
Yes, kasi ang gagawin ko sana is bibili ako sa Data Blitz.
Tas
Papadala ko dyan, papadala ko sa kanya. Tapos
Gaga-
pagdating niya dito, kasi mas mura pa,
Mas
di ba?
mura pa
I
yung
can
ano.
wait. I can fucking wait. Kakainis, man.
May nag-comment nga din isa
Sucks,
kaso
dude.
3 days na lang eh. Bukas
days
na
na lang.
siya alis.
Yun nga eh. Sabi ko, it's too fucking soon, bro. Yan. But anyways, I kind of solved it. Literally, everyday nag-check ako sa app na Vinted. It's kind of like a, parang Olox nila or something.
Maybe
And then
marketplace.
dito.
Olox.
Parang like a marketplace kasi hindi uso masyado yung ano dito eh. Yung, what do you call this?
Maybe
Yung OLX. Yung parang carousel dito. So I was like looking through. Every fucking day, I would refresh para kung may bagong magbenta. And then sakto gago, may nagbenta 4 terabyte na 990 Pro. And
Brand new
he's
or?
only selling it for 15. It's supposed to be brand new. Sealed pa. Hopefully it's not fake.
Hopefully.
Because the price is too good to be true rin. Kasi like it's 15,000 pesos and usually mga 19 or 20k siya. Eh ano daw, ang story nun is like may binild siyang PC tapos replacement warranty lang daw yun. And nakabili na siya ng bago so that's why he posted it.
Okay.
So, yeah, I'm just waiting for it to come and then let's see. If
If
Ano
not,
it's
then
an-
I got scammed.
If it's
Fuck.
an M.2 na SSD, it's that
It
thing
is.
is hard to fake. Mahirap
Eh,
i-fake.
yung sa'yo nga eh. Na-fake yung sa'yo
SSD
eh.
kasi sa akin na SATA.
Sa atin ganyan.
Hindi yung
Hindi
ano?
yung parang ganun.
Hindi siya.
No,
hindi
I've
siya
seen...
M.2.
Oh shit, kasi meron din eh. May mga fake din na M.2 eh. Nakita ko sa ano. Iba yung packaging din.
Ay lang.
It's like the Chinese one.
Yeah, but
It sucks.
Actually, it's rare. It's rare. Mahirap pa na eh. Mahirap i-peke yung M.2. Makikita
Well,
mo naman din.
hopefully we'll see in tomorrow. Tomorrow na yata dadating. Hey, let's see. Yeah. Speaking of other prices, talking about my transition din dito sa UK, I think yung hindi naman nakakapinibago. I kind of know na it's been an issue, pero yung ano talaga, cost of living talaga dito. It's
Mahal.
just- I'm not kidding when I say na I'm literally living a poor man's life. It's, okay. Buti na lang, I have a wife that, productive member of society. NHS pa siya. So, she's a nurse. And ako, I'm literally yung house husband dito, okay? Like, ang
Damn.
morning routine ko dito.
Ano?
Dude, my morning routine, because she wakes up at 5 a.m., bro. 5 or 5:30. Sinasabayin ko na siya magising. And then the first thing I do is like, I make her matcha latte or like whatever, hot drink. I cook her breakfast.
Damn.
And then that's it. Yun,
House
yun yung,
husband niya.
Living the life.
yun yung buhay ko. And then ngayon, then after that, I make my own coffee, my own breakfast, and then I record with you guys.
Damn. Yung palang ano ni Glow Gaming.
That's my thing. And then, yun, pag uwi niya, I either cook dinner. Ayun.
Wait,
that's
umuwi
it.
siya for dinner
I don't
or?
clean the house. Umuwi siya for dinner. Ang
Oh.
ano lang, ang work niya lang is until 5 p.m. Pero nakaka-uwi na siyang late kasi na traffic here in London is fucked up. Laging may
What the fuck?
diversion yung mga bus. Yeah, so...
Parang wala ng traffic dyan.
Tapos ang work niya is 5 p.m. and then
Pilipinas pa rin pala
umakauwi
dyan
siya
eh.
like 1 or 2
EDSA
hours.
pala dyan eh.
Yeah, it sucks, man. Like, it sucks.
What the hell?
It
Kala wala ng
absolutely
traffic sa
sucks.
ganyan.
Hindi, gago, meron lagi. Lalo na pag may nagsasaksakan, nadadivert yung mga...
What the fuck?
Yeah, it's pretty common, yeah. And it's pretty
Yeah,
common.
it's pretty common here.
Pwede common
Ah,
kaya.
ano?
Punta na tayo doon. No?
Utang inang yan. Nagna.
Ano lang yan, batian lang yan, okay, yung saksakan dito. Sabi daw ni Dengshan yung ano daw, yung isang mga
Doon pala
dating
doon.
ka-work niya na like yung trauma center daw doon, puro mga saksakan yung mga cases. It's amazing, bro. Fucking love it.
What the fuck?
Ano pa ba? Like isang ring na I'm battling for my life here is like the cold. Like ngayon naka-on yung heater pero ang mahal kasi to keep this fucking thing on this.
Yan yun yung haba na yan. Holy crap.
Yeah, this one is holy shit. This is providing heat for me right now.
Na tabi mo na lang
Pero
yung
most
PC
of the
mo.
time,
okay?
it's turned off. Oh, nakatabi pa yung PC ko dito, gago. I swear to God. Like,
Di niya kaya.
But pag naka-off yan, it's freezing here, man. I swear to God, mas malakas pa kasi sa aircon natin.
Bakit? Bakit
And
ganun?
that kind of fucks me. That's
Sobrang lamig.
yung alin. Malamig talaga. Sobrang
norte
lamig. Kaya
yata
it's a struggle. Magigising kami ni Deng siya, mag-alarm kami ng mga 5 a.m. Siguro makakabangon na kami mga 5:30. Kasi it's a fucking struggle getting up. Hindi tulad dyan na parang, okay, mag-alarm ka, ganun na agad, di ba? Hindi dito parang putang ina kailangan talaga mag-boot up yung katawan mo para
The fuck?
uminit ulit. Kasi holy, the
Parang ang nilagay sa
the
rep.
blanket. Oo, gago,
Sana.
seryoso. Like really, it's like you came out of hibernation
Mas malamig.
every fucking morning.
Mas malamig ba kasi doon naalala mo yung Airbnb natin sa Japan? Like the
Dude, mas
cabin.
malamig dito ngayon.
The cabin ni
Dude, that was like, hindi pa nga winter yun eh.
Hindi pa winter
yung,
yun eh.
yung time natin doon. That was like
Mag-winter
autumn
pa
pa.
lang, yeah.
Pero may pa-winter pa lang.
There was like snow sa labas.
Dito, ang lamig. Yeah. Siguro, isipin mo yung yung na-experience natin na lamig yung nasa labas tayo ng gabi. So, it's kind of like that, minus the wind. Ayun. Yun yung normal, When it's bright and sunny, right? Like this, medyo okay lang yung lamig. Pero pag early morning, 'di ba? Wala pang araw. Tangin ang lamig talaga dito.
Holy
So it
shit.
makes me lazy, it makes me slow. I literally cannot function without a hot drink to start my day.
Nah, bro.
So,
Sabihin mo, no gagawin, no?
And ano gagawin?
No
Ano gagawin?
gagawin.
Wala, inom akong tubig. Holy shit.
But di mo ba naisip
Siguro-
na mag-overclock ng computer dyan?
What the
You
fuck? I
should,
don't
bro.
even know.
You should,
Dude,
bro.
I don't even know anything about SSD. Ngayon ko lang na ano eh.
Oh, time to
Ngayon ko lang
delve
nalaman
into
yung ano.
fucking overclocking, man. Tanga na. You're
Why?
in the perfect place to overclock the
Para
PC.
may heater ka, gago.
Kasi malamig.
Para may
Pero may
busy ka,
heater eh.
engineer.
Gago
Like,
po.
gawin mo heater yung PC mo, gago. Hindi na umabot ng 90 degrees Celsius yung computer mo. It's time, man.
Won't that fuck my system
No,
up in
you
the long
wouldn't
run?
because you're in a fucking cold temperature. It's a perfect
Tama,
place
tama,
to fucking
tama,
overclock
tama.
stuff.
Tama.
How do I overclock? I don't know how to overclock.
Don't do it, ah.
Is that
Kung
like
di mo alam yung
Can I do
ginagawa
it
mo.
in a president booth? Okay. Paturo ko sa'yo, Chris. Let's see what happens.
Oh, sige, pag...
Let's see what happens.
Wala, hindi ako nag-overclock, nag-undervolt
Hindi ako
lang ako.
nag-overclock.
Other thing na ano ko ngayon is siguro yung huli kong labas sa bahay was yung pagka-uwi namin from Scotland. So I've been inside the house for a week now. Like holy shit, man. Like I really don't wanna. Yun yung pinaka-deterrent ko para lumabas at gumastos. The cold, bro. I'm weak as fuck.
May summer
Kaya
din
yung
ba
mga ano yan? Meron.
Ah, okay.
Ang summer dito mga 1 month, 2 months lang tapos after nun
Tangina,
lamig na ulit.
winter ulit? What the hell?
Stupid na yun.
Oh, Northern Hemisphere. Northern Hemisphere.
Kainis. So, kaya like, parang every time may nakikita akong mga post, di ba? Na, yung mga puti or yung mga British citizens pag pumupunta sa Pilipinas or parang pag nagkakaroon ng heat wave, nahihimatay yung mga puti. Sabi ko, tang ina to mga Pinoy. Kasi yung mga comment kasi ng mga Pinoy, sinasabi na, ang hina naman ng mga to.
Hindi nila
Kami nga,
alam,
nagkakape pa nga kami ng ng mainit pag tirik yung araw eh.
That's our normal habitat
Baliktarin nyo. Baliktarin nyo. Pumunta kayo sa UK, makikita nyo pag ganito na freezing mga 1 degree Celsius, makikita mo nagja-jogging yung mga puti dito na naka-shorts. Tapos yung mga puti tangina balot na nangingisay na sa lamig. Nyo. Who's the weak shit now? Honestly, mas pipiliin ko pa yung yung sweltering hot heat kaysa sa freezing cold. Like I literally cannot function. At least pag sweltering heat, yung katawan mo nagpa-function pa ng maayos. Pag malamig talaga, I can't, man.
Well, the only reason why I like the cold is because I have an excuse to like wear the clothes that I wanted to wear. Kaya mas gusto
Yes, of course.
mas prefer ko yung
The
cold
winter
weather.
drip. Yeah, Ragnar would prefer the cold too, bro. He would love it here, man.
Oh yeah, he would. Yeah,
He would fucking love it. He would love that shit. That fucking
He
guy.
would love that shit, man.
Yan. To give you like an idea rin how cold din. Ako naawa na ako kay Deng Chan kasi like, early morning yung start ng shifts niya lagi. And dude, it is like the coldest time. Like, nag-yellow talaga yung mga windshield ng mga kotse dito. Every time I open every time I open the door for her kasi lalabas na siya tang ina grabe like a gust like a draft of cold air comes into the fucking house and tang inang sakit like damage over time agad. And
Guilty agad.
she has to do that every fucking every time she what do you call it, goes out to work.
Gano'ng kabalot si Deng Chan?
Siguro mga 3 layers siya. Hindi, like a puffer
Ay!
jacket.
Oh my God.
Yeah. It's so sad. And then she comes back home na paggabi na rin. So she goes out cold and then she comes back cold. So I make sure she gets very warm pagka-uwi niya. So
Damn, that's your job, ah.
house husband, that's my job now, bro. Okay. Ayun na. So yeah, that's my life. Also, I have like this
May
aquarium
kwento pa,
here.
may tatanong pa ako.
Ano.
How do you save money there? Like sa grocery, stuff like that, yeah?
You don't, bro.
explain yan.
Okay.
Like,
you
di ba?
You don't.
Utang na you don't?
Kakain siya ng pagpag.
Okay.
Eat pagpag.
Ang naano ko na lang is dati kasi 'di ba?
Ano
Like
life hacks
I
yun, pare?
probably spend like 500 to siguro mga 900 pesos per day diyan sa Pinas if I was still ordering
Food
food.
sa Foodpanda.
Sa Foodpanda. So, sabihin na lang natin, yung cost na yun, nalipat na sa grocery. Okay? So, I'm still pretty much
The same pa rin?
spending the same amount,
Okay, it's not
but
bad.
now it's not the convenient
Okay.
ano na siya, parang yun nga, like kung ano ginagawa niyo, yun yung ginagawa ko. Hindi napalitan yung cost of my fucking food.
Okay.
But now I have to do everything on my own, which is fine. Like honestly,
Keeps you moving.
Hindi na ako nagki-crave sa mga sa labas.
Yeah, it keeps you moving
Like
as well.
yeah, it keeps me moving. When I cook, I get warm kasi gas stove, diba? Like feels good. And then every time I make my own bacon, my own breakfast, I don't miss, bro. Like I don't know Why? Not to self-glaze myself, but dude, I cook really good here.
Of course, bro, because you're the one
That's
eating
one
it, bro.
thing eh.
Tawag,
That's one thing rin na gusto ko
Ako
dyan
good.
sa, dyan sa London. May central stove, central gas.
Yeah, gas.
Yeah.
Oh,
Hindi
yeah,
mo
yeah.
kailangan bumili ng parang
Oh,
tangke
okay.
ng
Tangke,
like,
oo.
everything is connected.
So,
Damn, so
yes.
parang
So, pag hindi ka,
Maynilad, ganun.
pag hindi ka
Para-
nagbayad ng gas mo, wala ka ng
Tapos
gas.
ng meter,
What
meter
the
yan.
fuck?
Tatlo yung ano dyan.
May,
Tatlo yung bills mo dyan. It's fucking gas, electricity, and water.
and water,
Oh.
yeah.
Damn! What the fuck?
Yes.
Wait, malapit ba yung
Yes,
ano nyo
sir.
dyan? Gian, yung market nyo? Or malayo?
Malayo. Yun yung isang, yun
Yun
din
din
yung
yung
pinaka-ayoko.
oh,
Yun
no.
lang sa area ko.
Malayo.
Which is, kailangan ko pa maglakad ng 10 minutes sa isang supermarket. Walang mga palengke dito eh.
Ay, wala.
And then yung supermarket pa dito, yung pinakamalapit is Sainsbury. And it's, let's say for example, ano na siya? Kumbaga, may supermarket na tawag Lidl or Aldi. Yun yung parang Save More. Or
Oh.
yung Pure Gold.
Pure Gold SM.
Yung pinakamalapit dito sa amin, Robinsons. Ano? So, ang mahal ng mga bilihin. Tapos it's just hindi pa siya yung sobrang laking supermarket. It's like just an outlet store for it. So kung gusto ko talaga mag-grocery ng todo, I have to like ride a bus somewhere like 20 minutes away.
Imagine mo,
Tapos-
paglabas mo pa lang,
Damn.
putang na, there's like a risk of you getting stabbed. Tapos nilalamig ka.
Exactly, bro.
Huwag na ako kayo. Doon.
Exactly, bro. Nalamig pa ako. Putang ina yan. I have to like check out everything. Tapos ang dala-dala ko lang.
At
is,
least
like,
by the time you get
like,
stabbed,
mandatory
you're
dito yung
numb.
ano.
You're na,
At least
mga
by the time
tama.
you get
Lamig
stabbed,
kayo.
you're numb.
Oh shit. Pag uwi mo, why do I feel warm on my side? Oh shit, I'm joking. God damn.
Ano ba yung kutsilyo, no?
Hindi mo naman hanggang sa nakauwi ka eh.
Sobrang
Putang ina,
lamig.
sinaksak pala ako sa puwet ngayon. Manhid yung puwet ko eh. Sabi ko, wow, damn, what the fuck? Why is it kind of warm here? Damn, did I piss myself? Oh shit, no, it's blood. Damn, fuck. Ganun yung mga buhay dito. But yeah, it's so far. I would say I'm still acclimating though, even though it's been a month here in the UK. I'm still kind of acclimating. Hopefully, I get to like
Namamahay pa si
a
Eyeball.
really good routine or
Within
go.
a year
Parang
or two.
namamahay pa ako.
Tingnan mo, within a year or two tayo, ang ganda na ng glow up.
Local
ni
ka na
Gian,
yan.
tingnan mo.
1 year, local
Hopefully,
na yan.
hopefully. Kasi yun yung struggle ko talaga dito yung lamig eh. Like, this cold fucks me up. Like, it really, kahit sabihin ko sa sarili ko, ano gagawin? Putang inang yan, ang lamig. Ano talaga gagawin? Diba? I just can't, man. That's my struggle here. And then also, yung oras. Di ba kasi, like, I try to live stream when I can or work with you guys. We record at around 6 p.m. PH time. Tapos matatapos tayo mag-record usually mga 8 or 9. And then by 9 p.m. parang I'm gonna do some other stuff. And by the time I'm done with my other stuff, putang ina midnight na dyan. So ano pang i-live stream ko? Wala na. So I'm like,
that's
what the fuck do I do now? God damn. So I need to like find a way to like mix it up so that mas mauuna yung pag-live stream ko kaysa sa mga iba kong ginagawa. Yan. It's kinda, yun lang. Like, the time,
What if all the things na
the time
gagawin mo
slot
sana is gawin mo na pag alas 12 na dito, di ba?
Exactly. So I gotta figure out a way. Kasi putang pag minsan din, nakakatamad. After natin mag-live stream, after natin mag-record, puta pagod na ako kasi naubos na energy kaka-record with Pinoy
Same, bro.
Space. So I need to rest up, bro. And by the time I'm done resting up, putang ina, alas 12 na or alas 10 na ng gabi dyan.
Sabi,
And
sleep
then
ako,
wala na manunood. So, kaya nakikita ng mga tao na putang ina, damn, Glow, ang aga mo ah. Tapos 2 a.m. ako nagla-live stream sa PH time. So fucked up, man. But yeah, I think give me like 2 or 3 months. Or siguro pagdating, sabi ko nga like, ang winter dito hanggang Feb eh.
Feb?
So,
Tagal pa.
probably by March, pag pa-spring na dito, doon na ako tiglo acclimated na ako ng maayos. That's it, bro. Yun, that's life here. Oh, and I also have like a metaphorical fucking aquarium here, bro.
Let me see, bro. Let me see.
This thing,
Oh, damn! Putang, pinakagilid mo lang.
yan, bro. Honestly, like this thing, if it breaks, it will flood my fucking
Computer.
my system unit, and it will fuck everything up. Pero this is like,
Makapal ba yung ano niyan?
may philosophy to eh. Okay.
Alright.
Last year ko to ginawa and then iniwan ko for 1 year, 'di ba? Kasi bumalik ako diyan. Pagbalik ko, putang ina, punong-puno ng lumot. Remember that aquarium dati doon sa PR house?
Yeah.
Parang ganun siya. Pero buhay pa yung mga shrimp, buhay pa yung mga isda and all that shit. So I had to clean it. So sabi ko, if this fucking aquarium, I spent so much time here sa aquarium na to. Like a lot of fucking time cleaning it from algae and then just looking at it and trying to move things around. So if you see this fucking aquarium or if I look at this aquarium tas puro ano siya, like ang pangit niya tingnan, ibig sabihin my mind is also pangit.
Oh, damn,
You know
bro.
what I mean? So if
Okay.
it's clear and clean, that means my mind
The
is
bro is
clean,
writing.
clear and clean. Kasi na ano ko eh, na asikaso ko eh.
What the fuck?
So if ever pag napabayaan to, ibig sabihin I'm
Your
I'm
mind is
cooked.
distorted, ah.
Okay? My mind is cooked. My mind is distorted. I'm probably depressed and shit. Ganun. So, I try to keep this clean as much as possible. I keep this thing clean more than my fucking desk.
Yeah.
You've seen my desk before,
Yes.
guys. You've seen my tables before. You've seen my area before. Ito lang yung parang, you know what? Gonna keep this fucking... Also, napapansin na iba, Loko, bakit may lumot yung glass? Oh, that's for my shrimp. Okay?
Kinakain nila yan?
Like, I purposely I purposely keep, like, the walls, yung sides na may algae para doon kumain yung mga shrimp, tas yung mga baby shrimp and all that shit. But the front, yun, siniscrape ko. And the rest is just planted.
Damn, bro.
Take a good look at it, bro.
The fuck you bought that shit? May ano dyan, may fish shop dyan.
No, I ordered everything online kasi nakakatamad. The
Yeah,
fish shops are...
Amazon Prime ba dyan?
Like, yung mga accessories sa Amazon, pero like, yung mga isda mismo. Like, there's this old guy who runs a fucking Facebook shop.
Oh, damn.
Hindi na ako bibili. Kasi ang mahal kasi no, sa mga pet store dito, okay, inflated din. Ang mahal ng ano yan, ng hobby dito. Any kind of hobby here is so fucking expensive. Except trading cards kasi like SRP dito yung iba. But fish keeping, inflated. It's like 5 times the price kesa sa Pinas compared sa Pinas. Shit. So that's why I'm trying to like breed these motherfuckers, okay? So that I don't have to buy anything. Pati yung mga plants, I'm trying to cultivate it so that, you know, maybe in the future I'll sell it or not. We'll see. Ayan.
Damn, bro.
Amazing, bro.
Amazing.
That's it. So yeah, that's life, bro. So, ano gagawin?
Nagagawin.
Ano gagawin?
Si Chris naman, okay? Ano bang...
Tara, restaurants.
Tara,
Restaurants, bro.
Restaurants. Yeah, Chris, anything you wanna say before mag-restaurants tayo?
Wala.
Sa
Nice.
restaurant.
Good shit.
He wants to restaurant, bro.
Anyways, thank you so much guys for watching this episode of Pinoy's. Sayang hindi namin natanong yung ni Trinil, kaya lang wala eh. Hindi na mamansin sa chat eh.
Hindi nga eh.
Live siya ngayon eh. Tinry namin ayaw talaga eh. So wala. PR pa ba talaga yun?
Tama.
Yung next topic.
Yun ang tanong.
Next topic.
PR pa ba?
PR
Yun ang
pa ba
next
si
topic.
Trinil?
PR pa rin ba si Trinil?
Hindi na, kada-crop na siya boy.
But you know what? Ang PR pa rin ngayon?
Ay!
Patreon sa atin.
Our fucking Patreons, bro!
Let's go!
Freaking go! Just fucking Patreons right here and right there.
Damn,
and
bro.
like there. There you go.
Thank you,
Good
guys.
freaking job, Aaron. Who's your favorite Patreon right now, bro?
Si Boss Jaytan.
Who's your favorite
You,
Patreon?
Boss Jaytan.
Puta,
Ay,
ena.
wala kita sa stream
Holy shit. God damn.
Ano?
Amazing, bro. Ayan, thank you so much, Patreons. Ay, mga Patreons namin dyan, baka may request kayo.
Oo nga, baka may request
Comment
sila.
down
Yes.
your request. Baka pwede namin gawin, bigay namin sa inyo. Baka pwede magawa ni Ken.
What kind of request? What do you mean? Ay, putang ina mo.
Oh, you know.
So we're gonna
ayan.
have hangouts in the future. Oh.
Oo, tama.
In the future, bro. Ilang beses na natin sinabi yan, din nangyayari.
Actually, dati meron tayo
Ay,
ganyan.
meron na ako kasi may gagawin na ako.
Oh, shit!
Yeah,
Yun ang totoong gagawin, bro. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. And if you like this podcast, please leave a like on it, okay? Leave a like and a comment. And
Yes!
also, if you guys have any submissions for memes and things that we have to react to, punta kayo dun sa Pinoy's UD Posting FB page. Okay, plus.
Official plus
Right.
plus.
And then make sure nakasubscribe na kayo dito sa Pinoy's Podcast. And also, if you guys want to listen to us, then go to Spotify. Updated ba yun? I gotta ask, bro. I actually gotta ask.
Nauna
every time,
yung
bro.
yes ko eh. Fuck man. I thought you were gonna ask kanina.
Oh, okay. So,
it's
yes,
yes.
hopefully.
Not gonna
updated
lie,
does. So,
not gonna lie.
Spotify. Yes. What?
Not gonna lie, yung UD posting na in-establish natin yun is the longest living UD posting ever na nag-exist sa Facebook.
Oh, that's
Yeah! That's freaking... Oh, congratulations sa atin. Let's keep it clean. Congratulations. Thank you sa mga moderators natin. Okay,
Thank you.
for keeping it clean. Thank you, Pedro. Thank you,
Boss Khalil.
Nate.
Boss Khalil.
And,
Si Nate, si
Boss
G-Ward.
Khalil, and,
G-Ward din yata mo din.
the G-Ward. Yan. Let's keep it clean. Let's fucking keep it clean. All right. Yun lang. Thank you. We'll see you guys again on the next week's podcast.
Peace out.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. See you guys.
Yeet.